Okay, folks, these are the here again with another one for you guys. A frigidaire microwave. The customer complained he's not getting any numbers on the display, anything showing up at all, no response from keypad. So we wanna check to see what's happening with it. Gonna use our extension cord here. I connect it up. Check for power at our extension. Alright, so we have our 110 supply and 123. Very good. Okay guys, so we connected. Let's see what's happening. We getting power up to the point of entry there, so we know for sure our cord is working. We're not getting anything on our display at all. Right, so let's open up this microwave and see what's happening inside. Okay guys, make sure to practice proper safety. Disconnect power supply, the power supply. We don't want you to get harmed. Right, the power supply is out. Now we're going to open up this bad boy here. Okay folks, so our panel is down. Let's just check to see where we lost in power from. Let's check our fuse. Our ammeter is set on tone. Alright, so that's an open line. Shows that our fuse is blown. Let's make sure our probes are connected correctly. Alright, we are getting tone there, and we have no tone here. So we will do some further troubleshooting to see what caused our fuse to blow. We're gonna discharge our capacitor for safety purposes. We don't want to get shocked. But I don't want to get shocked, not we. Alright. Capacitor. I have nothing in them, no juice. So, I think we would start at the capacitor first. See that we didn't get a little juice at all, anything coming out of the capacitor. Okay guys, so we got the capacitor out. Let's just check to see. So we have a value here, 10 mega ohms on this resistor. Right, for those who could see, 1.10 UF, right, 2100 VC. So let's just check to see what's actually going on here. Set our tester on ohms. Check that resistor there to see what's happening. And we are having 1.3. That is way off, because 1 mega ohm is actually equivalent to 1 million ohms. Right? So we're not reading nowhere in value. Let's get a capacitor and come back and see. And we'll show you guys the difference there. Okay guys, so we got two capacitors, same resistance. Right, we have a use, we have a new, and we have the old guy here. Let's check. Right now we're checking the use. So you see where we read in here? Mega. Let's go over to the new. Shaky, right? Alright. Not touching anything to wrong. Here we reading. And the new is coming down. As I said, he will go up and come down, or he will start from down, go up. Let's see where we will stop. Right, so he's here at 10.5 all out. Right, and let's check our old guy here. Back to him again on the scene. As we just stand value. He shot dead. Alright, let's go over to tone. See what is happening there. It's not supposed to give tone. So let's go over to our new. The guy with the one-handed business. No tone. Let's go over to our use. We done touching here. No tone. So this capacitor is shut. Right. So I wouldn't go any further. I will not go any further in checking anything else. Okay folks, we had a walking customer there and came with a microwave. He wanted it to fix. He didn't want to wait, he didn't want to leave. So we now get back to this right. So what we have here is our terminal. It's really female terminal is a little too small for our new capacitor. So we have to take off this terminal, change the terminal, put on proper size. Right. Change these terminal also. Put on the correct size. Alright folks, so we change all those terminal, everything tight, nice and tight. Proper. Gonna mount up. Call that a George for the day. Get the mounting back to you. Okay folks, so last thing to place in our fuse, 20 amp on the board. As manufacturer said, we have a 20 amp fuse here. Alright, assuming that will take some time, but believe me, it's 20 amp. Have no power there. Alright, no power. Let's plug in this baby and see how she works. Okay people, so everything is up. Alright, double check. We have power there, in line. Power to board, right? And we look here. We on. Okay folks, so just one more thing. We're gonna do a test, a quick test. Panel is up, everything is up, and we're ready to deliver back to the customer. Just one final test to see how it's boiling water. We are 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Right. Set our power level here at 100. Normally it should take 2 to 3 minutes. We set it at 3 minutes here. Three minutes. Alright, that is 2 minutes and 45 seconds, and we see the water start to boil. Alright. Sorry. Sorry, it's 3 minutes we set it at, so that is 1 minute and 45 seconds, and the water start to boil. Right? So we go in here, we balance the last minute here. You know, you don't even want to go down that road, you could stop it there. Right? So the water is boiling. People, so we are finished with the customer's microwave. So you can give us a call, 2971971 Daisley's Refrigeration, and get your microwave repaired at an affordable cost.